This fossil represents the first identifiable Barosaurus ever described from Montana, and it expands what we know about dinosaurs living in the northern Morrison Formation.
Now, Barosaurus was first found in South Dakota, and we found it in Wyoming. We found it in other Morrison Formation states as well, such as Utah and Colorado.
Until now, however, Barosaurus had not been formally identified from Montana. The specimen described in this study is a single cervical vertebra, a neck bone, collected in 2022 from the Morrison Formation of south central Montana.
I was trenching around another fossil, and I ran right smack into the end of this fossil here. Looked up some pictures and references, and I realized that this was almost certainly a Barosaurus cervical vertebra.
The vertebra is extremely elongated from front to back, which suggests it most likely belongs to a diplodocid sauropod, a group that includes Diplodocus and Apatosaurus. The authors compared this bone to other cervical vertebrae belonging to Morrison Formation sauropods, such as Apatosaurus, Diplodocus, Gallimiopus, Supersaurus, and Barosaurus.
I think something that's really unique about this fossil is just the shape. It is very different from other cervical vertebrae that I have worked on. As I was working on this, it became clear that this has some really delicate processes and parts that are sticking off of it. Like right here, I'm running my finger along a process here, and again down here.
This vertebra represents the northernmost occurrence of the genus Barosaurus within the Morrison Formation to date. Its identification adds to evidence that diplodocid sauropods were particularly common in Montana's Jurassic ecosystems, possibly reflecting ecological differences between northern and southern parts of the formation.
Every dinosaur fossil we discover in the northern extent of the Morrison Formation is really helping us understand that part of the ecosystem better.
I am hopeful that we have more of either this critter or a critter just like it, a more Barosaurus material in general at the LZ Blue site.
So that's what's really important about every one of these new discoveries. And again, why our identification of this Barosaurus helps to fill in a part of that puzzle.